Today's add to the budget-friendly playlist that you can find in the description box below is Meatballs. Start by peeling one medium onion, then slice and dice the onion. Add the onion to the large bowl. Add 500 grams of minced beef, 200 grams of sausage meat, 2 tablespoons of dried mixed herbs, 2 tablespoons of stock powder of choice, 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, 75 grams of tomato paste, small amount of pepper. Using your hands, combine all ingredients. In a large baking dish or foil tray, add 1 500 gram jar of your favourite store-bought pasta sauce. Add 100 ml of water to the empty jar and swirl around. Pour in the baking dish. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grab close to a tablespoon of meatball mixture and gently roll into a ball. Place in the baking dish. Continue this process until all meatball mixture has been used. Cover with foil. Cook in the oven for 45 minutes. Tell me below what you like to enjoy your meatballs with.